Hello, we're here with Walk Around Ralph again. We're down in beautiful downtown Dexter. They're doing a pretty good job on their cleanup. We still have a few things left over from their flood. Some of it's damaged. Right now we're just looking at some of the cleanup that they've been doing. I couldn't get down here to shoot this little town very soon after it happened because the roads were closed between Hagerman, which is only 6 miles down the road, and here. So they've done a bang up job on their cleanup. But you can see some of the debris that this flood carried through here. And it took a great deal of help with all the neighbors helping each other and the town itself getting together. FEMA's here, but they're being slow about doing stuff. I got Clyde out there doing my camera and sound duties. We're gonna go down the road and see what else we can see. Come here, Clyde. Okay, we're back out on North Lincoln in Dexter, New Mexico. This is where a lot of the water came through this arroyo down here. I'm just wanting to kind of show you the size of some of the stuff that got carried off. This is all pure mud out here. The water was up to here and up past the road. You can see up here in a minute we're actually eroded part of the roadway. They've got this cut down to one lane, so that you have to crawl along. Everybody has to share a lane. You can see over here where it's eroded part of the road and part of the drainage system. Come down a little bit here, and it just ate this road up. You can tell by the edge here. You see parts of the road down in there. There's broken plumbing. You can see where the water ran out here. You can see where the edge of the road here just cut like it was cut with a knife. The water through was just super powerful. You can see this old 2-axle 4-wheeled cotton trailer. It just picked it up like it was nothing and brought it on down. Come here, Clyde. Okie dokie, we wanted to show you one more thing. Since we're only a few miles from Roswell, you never know what the rain's going to knock out of the sky or bring down with it. So out here in this field, we find another UFO. I don't see any remnants of the crew like they found back in '47, but you never know what you're going to find out here after a flood like this. So anyway, we're just walking around out here trying to see what all is left. They put out these big dumpsters out here so the residents can just dump their stuff without having to drive all the way to Timbuktu to go to the dump. The rest of the town, downtown, took it pretty hard too, but they've done a really good job of cleaning up. But you know, they had water standing in your homes, and businesses, a couple of businesses had to shut down for a while to regroup and reload. The little town, all these little towns down here in Roswell, Dexter, and Hagerman, they're all coming together pretty good to get stuff redone so that they can get back up on their feet and just get on with their lives. This Walk Around Ralph, we'll catch y'all later. I got Clyde there doing my camera and sound duties. Come here, Clyde.